Come here.
Me boss, yeah. King of dancehall, you know. Any other king of Burger King where I flip some dirty burger, think they fuck. They're big rotten. He real boss, yeah.
Like that.
Apart from the snake, him is no sugar. Him is doodoo.
Oh my God.
Him a doodoo.
Why you put him on there, sir?
Yeah, guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. I'm sure you guys have seen this video, a different version of it, or even this one, making its rounds across social media with them pinning or editing the interview between Beyman and Vybz Kartel at the Fix. It is so funny. You would think that they're actually responding to each other. But speaking of Beyman and Vybz Kartel dropped his new single the other day called I'm Out, where he was saying, you know, how you are gonna get the crown from me unless there's a way out, is there a way out? And then no, Beenie dropped this 2 hours ago, you know, basically shading Vybz Kartel, because if you read the caption, it say one king, and then in the man in the video say any other king or Burger King, which is so lame because a cartel said that. How can you say it but the same thing? It could be like when you got high school and somebody say you're ugly, and the next somebody say you ugly. Like, say something else, man. Like make it show in a shade atward, like make it act so we can laugh and say yeah man, Kartel, you need your match. No say back the same thing. But me hear must say some things in that video and I say about him sick like that and come on foot. Me don't know who him attack, but you guys check this out and let me know what you think.
Come here.
Me boss, yeah. King of dancehall, you know. Any other king of Burger King where I flip some dirty burger, think they fuck. They're big rotten. He real boss, yeah.
Like that. Until the man stick like that.
Anything else I talk, you know, you can go on. Alright.
Stick like that.
You boss, yeah. Yeah, man, I'm my boss of life, man.
God.
Yeah.
Him know.
Me and him born 1972. Now I see him here, you know. So, me know him. Yeah, me and him grew up. Me know him for my artist.
Him know 7 understand. One that you have.
I'm going to tell you, man. Me know he's from for my artist, man. What you do, man?
Boy, the man will do the video and just overtalk everybody and I can't hear what Beenie Man and say. But me take up bits and pieces and me hear him and say the man sick like dog and him come on me yard already and know something in sense. You know, like, who Beenie attack? Because he made the post on him IG and I say one king, so obviously him still has true shade of Vybz Kartel. Speaking of shade, Vybz Kartel and Papi, that's Popcorn, posted up a picture with this song where he say Gaza me say what Beenie Man did do years ago, and I mock him and I troll him and Spice comment on that, Kartel comment on that, a be laugh, it's like a be gimmicks in the comment section. Killy bang down to grown God himself. So you know, like Beenie Man, but I don't do it rough, it look rough here, brother. But don't tell me what you think down in the comment section. Speaking of shade again, now everybody knows that TikTok they're supposed to lock down. Well, lockdown feels like what, 12 hours, and then it came up back today. But I think it was last night, like after 12, after 1, Squash post up on Instagram story. Everybody know Blam them chat. Go look at where drunk up. So then now, World Dog, me don't know if I Squash him attack. But like me, or maybe based on the response to, you know, this whole thing about TikTok being shut down, everybody laugh and say them have to go look work or whatever, and fist that big. Mr. World Dog post up and say 95% of people 8-pan TikTokers. So I don't know if I Squash him attack or matter the general public. But you guys can tell me what you think about that in the comment section. Now, Foota Hype did an interview earlier today with King Yellowman, and boy, I tell the man class, Beenie Man and Vybz Kartel. So one of them is a snake and one is a lizard. Oh, and him call Beenie Man do the same belong in a toilet. Jesus have mercy. No, check this out.
To somebody, who would it be in your eyes right now?
Alright, let me answer it, because sometimes when we talk in a purpose, you may say, not true.
Yeah,
He's a genius.
yeah,
When you see the sun, you see God.
yeah,
And I is a perfect example of God. So
yeah,
all when we go through.
right.
I remember every time the sun go down, it always rise.
Yeah.
Every day. All right, now, let me answer your question. Did Michael Jackson unknown the king of pop?
No, he didn't.
Did
No, he
Elvis
didn't.
Presley unknown the king of pop?
No, he didn't.
Did James Brown unknown the king of soul?
No, he didn't.
Did Elvis Presley unknown the king of rock and roll?
No, he didn't.
Did Luther Vandross unknown the king of R&B? No. Did Bob Marley unknown me say that already. Did
Yeah.
Bob,
Bob did not, nobody not contest it.
yeah,
Bob is the king of reggae. Dennis
right,
Brown had to hold the prince.
right. And did Mary Shaman unknown the king of love and rock?
No, he still is.
Alright. So why should I unknown?
All right. So to the grave. All right, my boss. Perfect answer. Perfect
Yeah,
answer. Perfect answer. Me
yeah
can't
man.
fight that.
Right.
Me can't fight that. So, based on that, I am going to say this. Vybz Kartel, you're the world boss. Beenie Man, you're the girls, them sugar. The doctor. Okay? Bounty Killer, you are the ground guy. That is it. Based
Yeah, but
on what the king just said, that is it.
yeah, man. And me not think that sugar thing they go work with the snake still. You know?
The man is a Papa Beenie to black. Yo, the man a beat Beenie right sure.
Because every man is a sugar to a girl. Every
Yeah.
man, apart from the snake, him is no sugar. Him is doodoo.
Oh, oh my God.
Him a doodoo.
Why you put him on there, sir?
Yeah, because that is where it must be. That's where him supposed to be in the restroom.
This look like a something different that one, man.
Yes, sir. In the restroom. In the toilet. Because do belong in our toilet. That's where it must be.
But
Sweet enough.
King,
A member.
this,
No, hold on. Let me finish that. Because you asked the question, so let me give you the answer.
all right, King.
May I give the answer?
Yeah.
It may sound disrespectful, but I guess so because in this me way.
Yeah.
And I can't tell alone in this. In this, a lot of artists, and you know that, put that. But me I medication.
Well, you say, yeah, the antidote
Yeah,
to the poison.
yeah, me I medication being pain.
Yeah.
So, Me I tell you say, when me say, him a doodle, everybody know where doodle belong. Because doodle, you have to be careful with doodle on the street, in the street. Because 3 things can happen to doodle. It's either you use a shovel, scoop it up, throw it away, or it can step on and squash, or it can stay there and dry up and, blow away in the wind. So it can't be sugar because you cannot tell a fly that honey sweeter than shit. Remember that. The bees cannot tell a fly that honey sweeter than shit. So that's where that a film place. That's how him crawl out the toilet.
So all of that because him too light, King.
Yeah, of course. Me not like lion.
Yeah.
Lion and criminal are two cousin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's serious. Me have to go interview Beenie. Me need to know where him really do so bad. Cause me not know you as a type of person to hate nobody.
Yeah, but him hate me.
He hate you.
Him hate me.
This sound like a deep-rooted hatred, like a years them have beef. No man. Yo, it was a long live. If you upload that, we don't have the time. We don't have to go over foot. I have to go hear the rest of the story. But if you've watched the video this far, like the video, share, leave a comment, subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. And I'll see you next time. Bye.